While signed into Google, go to calendar.google.com. Under My Calendars, on the left column, tap the three dots for the correct calendar. Select Settings and Sharing. Locate Share with Specific People and select the box Add People. A dialog box pops up. Enter the Gmail address of the person to be added. Only use Gmail addresses. Make changes to events works just fine. The highest permission is Make Changes and Manage Sharing. This is best reserved only for owners. Tap Send. An invitation gets sent, appearing in the Updates tab of Gmail. The invitation does not appear in the primary section of Gmail. Need to remove somebody? Just click the X next to their name.